Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for your next pair of running shoes that will give you the comfort and support you need, then look no further. These running shoes from FLUX will check all those boxes and allow you to hit the ground running. One of my favorite things about this pair of shoes is I was able to take them right out of the box and start using them right away with no irritation or blisters. I love the back of the shoe with its arch that really ensures that you're not gonna have rubbing on the heel. Something that's great about these shoes is the wide toe box that really allows your toes to have the freedom you need while on those long runs. These shoes are lightweight and the material is fantastic. It's breathable with a light stretch. I found that I was able to easily work out in these shoes. I was able to go on long walks as well as short and long runs. I found that the size was true to size. I'm a 7.5 and I got these in a 7.5. I feel like it allows a little room for socks and my toes to move around freely, which is super important. I absolutely love the color. This neon pink is so beautiful. I love that it can easily stand out amongst a crowd. So if you're looking for a pair of running shoes that offer style, comfort, and the support you need on your long run, I would highly recommend this pair of running shoes from FLUX. And that's my point of view.